Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I not post a lot lately. But it's look too dark. Ready? You can eat chips. Stay. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, so I know I not like really post a lot lately because something there going. So today balance has bad and I see by the title and I know which video I agree with today. So guys, we can't talk too loud. Guys, we can't talk too loud because my sister there in my room, she has sleep. So she there in my room, so I'm gonna wake up back. So we're gonna open her or something. Oh, I forget. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, just think a while ago. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe, and also to hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified of when I post videos. So guys, I'm gonna go in there now. I'm gonna try to wake her up or something. I'm gonna go in there now and see where it can take place. Alright. I'm gonna put this. So guys, she has sleep right now. So I'm gonna like set up the camera so she can see it. I see me I know. Because I set up the camera right now. Ya come Andrew pull and sketch up. Andrew and sketch up on your road. Eh?
I don't know what this.
Because don't charge. And I can't get yard.
I'm not done charge. You need to watch it.
It is the 100% and plug out here a while ago. And then kind of come home and I go yard. And it's a curfew on a curfew and you know. But you check it. I check it, don't it? 2 o'clock and 2:12. Come go your yard. You can't play off your door. Go on now. Go. Where the man? Come go here, but the boy in the car. Come go home. Now my curfew catch you. You're not coming in. Ow. You're not coming in. Eh? Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Come go home. bedtime before that me wait to come up here batty. There's something there, crossed out. Hello? Giddy up. Happy.
Oh.
Me not heavy. Hello? Can I man? What is that? No, KP. KP. Hey, can I? What is What is this? What is Sebi? What is here? Can I? No man, no. That not a fresh pay bone that. Bone this. Yeah. KP.
What happened?
Hello. You ain't gonna come go home. Follow you off here.
Oh.
You know, so don't make a stop though. Make a stop in the car. Come and say, I'm massage. I get out of this. Are you a massage? Yeah, man. Tiffany and
Yeah, I had to feel it. Oi.
Tiffany and Bob. But I got to nothing now. Which not right now. Keep still now. I can't even go up there, so. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam.
Oh.
Oh, God. I'm a cool now. You now get up. Tap out. Tap out, no? Tap out.
Oh.
Tap out. No, wait, and give me. Tap out. You know, tap out. Eh? You know, tap out. Next one. How is it? How is it? Tap out, no? Tap out. Keep an eye. I said, what do you do? I said, you know, tap out, me say. Hmm?
Yeah, I know almost I do what I mean.
Move. You know, tap out, KP. Eh?
Oh.
Eh? Alright. You know, tap out. Eh? Eh? You know, tap out. Tap out, no?
The next food.
Me not do no next foot. And your back never go. Oh, this fear. Yeah. 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 Oh, that's fair. Eh? So which next food? I will take this thing back. Oh, give me a hand. Give me a hand.
They massage already.
Give me a hand, you say.
No!
Yeah. Give me a hand. Give me next hand. Give me.
No! Ah!
Me nah laugh, that not funny, yo.
You're not dead.
That not funny, me nah run pretty, yo.
You're not dead. Oh! You're not dead.
Me nah run pretty, bro, that not funny. That could have hurt me, you know.
So you end up on it like,
Me nah answer your more.
where you leak?
I roll down off your back. I roll down your so. And just press on me sit down.
Say that leak now?
Mm-hmm. Well.
Oh, you come?
Mm-mm.
Huh?
Mm-mm. Guess what? Yan dem jëg na. Amma. Yes. A while ago. When you see I'm into the girl, you know? But this a torment the little girl. Me a torment her. And the little girl look how cross his pitney. Look how cross his pitney. Make me drop off at the floor. Little most me lose my life a while ago. Me say a while ago say, you me say, look most make me lose my life a while ago. Whew, me say, wow, that was something else. Wow, I'm tired. KP, cross is pitney. Look ugly sister. Come here now. Ketanya. Nobody in this side. Look how much me almost lose my life. Oh my god, my neck hurt so badly. Snow, come here. Come here, me say. Come. You know, come to me, you know, you all come to me when you all come to people when time people have food in their hand. Snow, come. Come now. Man, I'm time I want to grab you. Come. Guys, this is my cat. Say hello. Hello guys. Make sure to make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Say bye. Say bye now. Bye. Go on my business. She disgusting like. Can't do me. For me up. KP, me not call you. him no baka. Like him in the call you a while ago. Where you gone? I'm not call you a while ago. Move.
No, again, that's the thing.
Yes, you're gonna come in here. You're gonna come.
Stop the time.
But you're already in the air.
Delete.
No, I'm not.
Stop now, brother.
Hey, why you want me to delete? You know, say you look nice. Move. I bet you. Say it again now. Say it again so we can punch in your face. Say it again now. Well, guys, now I've been on my video. I don't know why. She doesn't want to be in my video. So, guys, may I beg you to subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up if you my camera. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also to comment. Yeah. What? Comment, share, and all the mask or something there. So yeah, I will see you guys in my chat foolishness. I will see you guys next time. Peace.